Hi, I'm Luke Bierman from Mechanical Seal Engineering and the face of mechanical seals in Australia. In today's video, I want to talk about cartridge seals. What is a cartridge seal, different types of cartridge seals, what advantages they give, installation and more. A cartridge seal is a pre-assembled unit, ready for installation into a pump. This allows seal designers and manufacturers to utilise more technical designs with uncomplicated installation for the end user. A cartridge style seal can be assembled by the seal manufacturer in a clean environment without the worry of contaminants, whereas a component style seal is assembled by the pump fitter along with the pump. Cartridge seals come in both single and double configurations. A single seal has one set of seal faces, but a double seal has two sets of seal faces with a barrier chamber in between. This is a separate cavity that's filled with fluid such as water or glycol. This creates a barrier between the product and the atmosphere surrounding. It's important to know whether you've got a single or a double seal because that'll affect the piping plan. The most important thing to note when installing a cartridge is the assembly fixtures. These are critical in setting the axial position of the seal faces, and in a self-aligning cartridge they ensure concentricity between the rotary and stationary components of the cartridge. First step to installing a cartridge seal is sliding it onto the shaft. I suggest a silicone grease, but any lubricant that won't react to the sleeve O-ring is fine. Make sure that the diameter that the O-ring seals to is in good condition without any scratches or corrosion pitting. For the purpose of this video, I omitted the bearing housing. Once the backplate, volute and impeller are in position, the cartridge seal gland plate can be bolted to the stuffing box or housing. The next step is to tighten the grub screws. It is important to do this after the gland bolts are tightened to make sure that the cartridge sleeve is still in the correct position in relation to the gland. The final step is to remove the assembly fixtures. If the pump needs to be transported to a different location, these can be left on during transport as long as they are removed before startup. Failing to remove these can cause serious damage. It's a good idea to keep the assembly fixtures. If the cartridge needs to be removed, the assembly fixtures should be refitted before removal. A few things to note: some of the internal components of a cartridge seal can be brittle or fragile, so care should be taken when handling a cartridge seal. If a cartridge seal gets dropped or damaged in any way, contact your supplier to avoid failure after assembly. Here at Mechanical Seal Engineering, we stock the largest range of cartridge seals in the country, and we pride ourselves on the best technical support. Thanks for watching, and please get in touch for any of your mechanical seal needs.